fried chicken lovers rejoice because Bad Bird has landed at SM Mega Fashion Hall. The new menu includes an eclectic selection of sides such as dashi watercress and kimchi. But my personal favorite was the cornbread hush puppies. But at Bad Bird, it's the fried chicken that reigns supreme, and one of the best ways to enjoy it is through the corn and coleslaw plate. It's the delicious umami flavored fried chicken that put Bad Bird on the map, and it's available in 3 different spice levels: safe, spicy, and chemical. Me, I like my Bad Bird fried chicken safe and with a side of sweet potato waffles. The perfectly cooked chicken and those delicious waffles are a match made in heaven. Serving more than fried chicken, Bad Bird has some delicious items off the grill, such as the bacon cut short rib. And their mouth-watering pork belly. There's so many more reasons to visit Bad Bird, so what are you waiting for? Check out their branches at SM Mega Fashion Hall and Hole in the Wall today.